The BR50 series of Stacklights from Pfannenberg offer individual and pre-configured slim and compact Stacklight options that can help provide easily integrable, customizable, and superior visual signaling in any application environment. Their pre-configured complete continuous Stacklights come in green, red, green, yellow, red, or green, red, blue, with 115-volt or 24-volt options. And their individual clear full-colored modules are available in LED integrated easy modules, flexi modules that contain no light source, and continuous light or blinking light modules with white, yellow, orange, red, green, and blue color options, allowing you to easily stack up to 5 modules and lock them together with a simple bayonet lock, providing you with the ability to customize a signaling tower that fits your exact needs. With a handful of mounting options like direct, plinth, tubular, or with a mounting bracket or tubular stand, these Stacklights have IP54 protection, allowing them to be used both indoors and outdoors, and can operate in temperatures as low as -13 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 131 degrees Fahrenheit. These Stacklights can be combined with a variety of Pfannenberg accessories or sounders to help give you optimal visual and audio signaling. For more information on the BR50 series from Pfannenberg, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.